The AAP attacked the BJP for fielding Bansuri Swaraj from the New Delhi constituency in the Lok Sabha elections, claiming she had represented anti-national forces in court, even as she hit back at Delhi's ruling party over its choice of candidate from the seat. Delhi Minister Atishi said at a press conference that MS Swaraj, the daughter of late BJP leader and former Union Minister Sushma Swaraj, should apologize to the people of the country for taking up such cases, and also demanded that the party replace her. Today, she will go to women in the New Delhi constituency and ask them for votes, Atishi said. She also demanded that the BJP replace MS Swaraj as its candidate from the constituency. Hitting back, MS Swaraj questioned the AAP on its choice of candidate, who was allegedly beaten up by his own cadre in Rajendra Nagar on 2nd March. Responding to the AAP's allegations, Bansuri said, I would like to ask the AAP, why have you fielded a candidate who was beaten up by his own cadre in Rajendra Nagar on Saturday? They have named a candidate who is not liked by his own party members. They can put allegations against us, but people will give them a reply in the elections, she said. Somnath Bharti, the India Bloc candidate from the New Delhi constituency, also demanded that Swaraj and the BJP should apologize for such a blunder. During the press conference, Atishi also spoke about outgoing BJP MP Harsh Vardhan's decision to bow out of electoral politics. Mr. Vardhan is known for his honesty and hard work for the country, the people of his parliamentary constituency and his assembly constituency, she said. Atishi claimed, he always raised issues of public interest and spoke for them. I think it has become very clear that just as he was removed from the position of health minister at one time for raising some issues, today, it seems that perhaps his ticket has been cut due to his honesty. Senior Aam Aadmi Party leader and Delhi Minister Saurabh Bharadwaj also described Bansuri's nomination as a living example of Parivarvad, and questioned the BJP's attacks on the opposition despite choosing her over sitting MP and Minister of State for External Affairs and Culture Meenakshi Lekhi. He said, the BJP has been making tall statements against Parivarvad. Today, if Sushma Swarajji's daughter is being given a ticket, it is a living example of Parivarvad. We too have high regard for Sushma ji, but our other parties, which are giving tickets to the kin of leaders who are no more, not eligible for such respect. This shows that there is a huge gap between what the BJP says and does. Barring North East Delhi, where the BJP has named Manoj Tiwari for a third term, it has fielded new faces from 4 constituencies: New Delhi Swaraj, West Delhi Kamlajit Sehrawat, South Delhi Ramveer Singh Bidhuri and Chandani Chowk Praveen Khandelwal. The BJP is yet to name its candidates for East Delhi, where MP Gautam Gambhir has said he requested party chief JP Nadda to relieve him of his political duties, and North West Delhi,